Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be talking about how I go about with my Unity Webgl and such. So let me show you a little demonstration of an app I have already built in Unity so that we can proceed from there. So I'm going to click run, and I'm not going to go into details. You can see everything on my side. So right now I'm going to go back to my screen and we'll proceed from there. After you've set up all the WebGL templates as described by the Unity documentation. So over here you can see I have my index file, the thumbnails image. That's the image that shows whenever you look up your template in the build settings. I think it's supposed to be resolution, and over there, so you can see that's my template. So moving on, I'm going to be showing you the content of my index file and my Unity Progress.js. That's the JavaScript file I've modified, to suit. So over here we're just going to be concerned with this div. The rest is just a personal modification that I did. And around here, what we should be concerned about, aside the obvious canvas and other setup, is the loading bar indicator and the BG bar. That's the background bar, the progress bar, and the loading info. And before that, you should make sure to include these 4 scripts in your header file. We have the create.js, the easy.js, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, and the twin JavaScript file is quite good for animations. So you can see my Unity Progress.js over here. This is a script I picked off the internet and then made slight modifications. We have the init file. You can put anything you want over there to be called later. We have the Unity Progress, which accepts the DOM, and the update, which is being called constantly throughout the cycle. But over here, one thing I'd like you to know is the only thing I modified in my code is take off a few lines and then just kept this one, the create.js.ticker.set fps 60. The frames per second. I'm just setting that in. I'm pretty much keeping everything except my widths, background bar, and progress bar. So moving on, I'm going to build my project, but I've already done that, so you can go ahead and build your project once you have everything set up. And I'll show you a live demonstration of this setup over here. Let me go to my website, lookup.net. Anyway guys, you can check out my website and then leave your comments, anything you think you actually think needs changing or you feel should be improved upon. So you go to the interactive tools and have the 3BR interactive, which is a 3-bedroom complex I'm working on. So you see right down here, this is what I'm talking about. Normally when you build a WebGL, you don't get this, so sometimes your users seem to think the whole build is stuck or something. This is just to avoid it. And heads up, when you are running this on a local machine, you might not get all these numbers, the download procedure and everything, to just bam. I think you see the effect more when it's hosted online or something of that sort. So here you have this 3-bedroom complex. Maybe we might go inside, so I'll show you around. In the meantime guys, I'd like you to like, subscribe, and then share this video. You can also leave your comments down. So that just wraps it up. I'll keep posting stuff as and when I come across them. Thank you for watching.